In custom manufacturing, tracking orders and items is a key element for success and a big headache at the same time. The majority of manufacturing companies store information in their central database. When tracking orders and items in a traditional manner, operators have to sit in front of a computer and look into their ERP system or other tools. Or, on the shop floor, where information is mainly administered on paper, operators need to move around to look at information boards that constantly have to be updated, or have to sit in planning meetings in order to share information. This is simply not efficient. Augmented reality can easily solve this time-consuming search and constant lack of real-time data. Misterine's AR solution is linked with real-time data and immediately provides operators with visual information on orders or items whenever needed. This saves preparation time and reduces non-productive work by approximately 30%. With the support of AR, operators can easily access databases and receive visual feedback on the device in their hands, whether in the office or on the shop floor. In situations which require two free hands, smart glasses or HoloLens can be used instead of tablets. Any tedious work, searching databases, going through papers, or working around the shop floor are no longer necessary. Our intelligent AR system can even navigate operators to the exact object they are looking for. When searching for an object on a device, the AR system shows arrows and guides operators to the place where the object is stored. Operators can immediately access information about objects inside the warehouse, even when they are not visible from the outside. AR is an ideal solution for companies that desire a smarter factory, Internet of Things, and Industry 4.0. We are ready to provide you with this higher level of reality. Misterine, empowering people with augmented reality and pioneering the augmentation of industrial processes.